Common English questions and answers practice speaking English. Want to speak English more fluently? Practice these common questions and answers with us.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York, and you?
I'm from Los Angeles. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I work as a graphic designer. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old, and you?
I'm 28.
How old are you? I'm 25 years old.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do, but I'm still learning.
That's great. Practice makes perfect.
Do you speak English? Yes, I do.
What are your hobbies?
I love reading books and watching movies. You?
I enjoy playing guitar and traveling.
What are your hobbies? I love reading books.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza and pasta. What about you?
I love burgers and ice cream.
What's your favorite food? I like pizza.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. You?
I have 2 sisters.
Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. See you again. It was nice talking to you. Same here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more English speaking practice.